The Bedford RTS kit include a BP3600 gun with a 515 standard tip and guard. A free 2-finger trigger if you prefer that. A gun manual with all the extra info you may need. A 3-feet whip hose to connect to your gun. And a 50 feet by a 1/4 inch hose assembly to connect to your sprayer. Grab one end of your 50-foot hose and connect to the pump. Use a wrench to firmly tighten the hose fitting to the sprayer to avoid any leakage. Now it is time to connect the whip hose to the 50-foot hose. The whip allows you to move around while spraying without being restricted by the larger hose, giving flexibility to move around easily. Again, use a wrench to tighten both hoses together and make sure to this correctly to avoid leakages when painting. Now, your last step is to connect the other end of the whip hose to the end of your gun. Use the wrench one more time to ensure the hose is properly and firmly attached to your gun. Now you are ready to spray paint. We would love to see your project. Follow and tag us on Instagram and Facebook at Bedford Precision.